All right, guys, welcome back. This is the Taxable Portfolio 2024. We're continuing to add every single week. Let's break it down. As you can see, year to date, we just started. It's January, so we're down 1.2%. We're going to continue the weekly videos on this to see it grow because all I'm doing is adding, $160 every single week, and it's adding up. So asset allocation, most aggressive because it's in all stocks, as you can see. Top and bottom movers is Realty Income, SEHD, FNILX, and HSY. So it's Hershey's, S&P 500, a dividend ETF, and then Realty Income. So let's take a quicker look. Let's dive into the investments, and let me just show you what I got. All right, guys. So as you can see, the percent of the portfolio, Hershey's makes up 0.82%. Realty Income is 2.34%. SEHD, which is my largest holder right now, the dividend ETF, is 35%. FSPGX, which is a growth fund, 32%, and the S&P 500, 29%, which is doing pretty well compared to the growth fund. I mean, it's only down by 4% to the growth fund. And the FSPGX just means that the top 10 companies are like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Tesla. Whereas FNILX, those same companies make up like 28% of the fund. So the overall market of the S&P 500 is doing pretty good catching up. But we're going to continue to dollar cost average in this. As you can see, I have over $7,000, $7,400, $8,600 in SEHD, and then a small portion in the individual stocks. Like Hershey's only $216, and Realty Income is only $507. But when you look at my dividend view, you can see that I'm expected annual income, so over 2024, and I'm going to keep adding to this. I'm going to make an extra $365 just with this portfolio so far. So it's definitely going to help add to the gains, but we're going to continue to dollar cost average, and I'm going to do automatic investing like I always do. And I will post that link, how to do that. If you are part of Fidelity, it is a no-brainer. If you're working a lot, 9 to 5, it's easy to set up automatic investments. So let me just show you under activities and orders so you can see how I have it set up. So as you can see right here, January 6th, it just triggers because I have it set for every Monday. Then I'm going to buy $62 of FNILX, $63 of FSPGX, and I just got to check the recurrent investments because there should be Hershey's in here as well. But let's take a look at it. So guys, super simple. Just in the search, type in automatic, click enter. You'll see your scheduled transfers, and then you're just going to scroll down to manage scheduled transfers. And then this is what I have set up right now. So every Monday, and I'm honestly not sure why it says it's January 16th. Let's see here. Today's the 7th. So for some reason, it didn't include Hershey's and SEHD. I'm not sure why, but it included FNILX and FSPGX for tomorrow, which is January 8th. So this is what I'm currently investing in, and I'm just doing it every single Monday. So this is going to grow because if you just do the math here, this is $160 right here. $160 every single week, times that by 4, $640 a month. Times that by 12, I'm going to have an extra $7,700 in the portfolio, plus whatever it goes up or down. And we're going to continue to add more, and we're going to increase the size of these positions. But right now, we're starting slow and have a nice baseline of how we're doing it. Anytime I show the taxable portfolio, I'm going to show the Fidelity crypto portfolio. As you can see highlighted in blue right here, Fidelity crypto. I own ETH, I own Bitcoin. As you can see, ETH I'm up 30%, Bitcoin I'm up 70%. And this is only off small investments of $1,750 in ETH and $1,500 in Bitcoin, with a cost basis $1,670, ETH trading at $2,185. Bitcoin 25,000 I have a cost basis where it's trading at 43,000. So it's a good start. We'll see where it goes. And I just like to show you, I mean, I bought some of these in, 2023 early in the year in January, and it's up 129%, 100% gains. So this is just dollar cost averaging. This is all it is. Just dollar cost averaging over time, and you can see the gains add up. So for any investors, I think you don't have enough money. You don't need much money. You can see that I was purchasing with $48, $24, $50, $240, $250. My largest investment was $250. That's it. You don't need a lot of money to get invested, and it adds up over time. So I just want to show you these just so you can get an idea. I'm dollar cost averaging in the taxable and the crypto. And I don't even look at them. It's just a long term, every day it comes out of my paycheck every single week. It's like paying taxes. It just goes to my investments long term.